Living cells were first observed by Anton van Leeuwenhoek first discovered free-living algae Spirogera cells in water in the pond in 1674 with the improved microscope. The living cells were first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He observed living cells and called them animalcules. Some small animalcules are now called bacteria. The invention of the microscope supported the study of finer details of a living cell. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.